Okay, so for this problem, we're asked to find our n, the sample size that would be needed for a margin of error of 10%, 90% confidence level. So here's our formula that we're using. You'll notice it's asking for three things. It's asking for p hat, a z alpha over 2, and the e. So the e is our margin of error. That's our 10%. The z alpha of 2 comes from the 90%. So this is not it exactly, but this is what we use to find it. And then our p hat we're not given. And so when you don't have it, you always just use 0.5 as an estimate. So that means n equals 0.5 times 1 minus 0.5. And we're going to find z alpha 2 in a minute. We're going to take 10%, but it needs to be a decimal. So we're going to take 10 over 100, which gives us 0.1. And now we're going to find the z alpha over 2 by going to our app here. And so in this app, we're going to select value from an area. Our area is 0.9 because in the problem, we got 90%. So we're going to take 90 and divide it by 100. So 90 divided by 100 gives us a 0.9. So we'll put 0.9 in for the area. And then we want to find between. And then when you click recalculate, it doesn't matter which one you use, but you get 1.645. And now we can come back here and put in 1.645 and then square it. And now we can take all of this and plug it into Desmos and put in 0.5 times 1 minus 0.5 times 1.645 over, sorry, gotta add in some parentheses because we're going to need to square it. 1.645 over 0.1. And then square it. Let me just make sure that was a squared and not just, there we go. And that would give us 67.65. And notice here they use 68, and that's because you can't have a partial person. And so you're going to round that 67 up to the nearest whole person. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm going to stop the recording.